Well, if I could get this local server up, you don't need to. So.
Yeah. Zach, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Oh yeah, Ryan.
Yeah.
So you know Confused Onion Ring and I?
Mhm.
We've been having to deal with Dinos for a long time, and we've just been finding exploits with the lag, so...
I don't know. This is just fucking.
I know.
How to install and run
Ew, OMG craft, gross.
You guys want to know? Now you know.
It is the first video I saw. What's OMG Craft anyway? It's like some cringy kids
Yes,
channel.
it's so
Hello
pretty.
everybody and welcome to OMG Craft, the show that'll make you a
I'm
Minecraft
so-
expert in no time.
Watch the
I'm your
tutorial.
host, OMG Chad. Last
Also need some-
week we
also need
did
some
an
eye
episode
bleach
on
afterwards.
how to run your own Minecraft server, and a lot of people in the comments wanted to know how we could do this.
It's still
but
Anarchy
with
server, so...
mods. Now there's a few different
Oh yeah,
ways
are we gonna have like a
to
custom
run a
domain
modded
name or
server.
subdomain or
Some
no?
with
It'll just be your
Forge, some with a
IP
different program
address.
called Bucket
Yeah.
or Spigot. You may have heard of that as well, but Bucket
You-
and Spigot
thank God
have
you have
become a
a
little bit more
VPN.
complicated because you have to compile the stuff yourself. And
Yes.
anyway, we're not going to go into that. Forge is
Oh, yeah,
super
just install
awesome,
Honey,
and a
so hopefully I can get
lot
my
of
You want me to
mods
just be
that are,
quiet for
say,
that one?
found on the Curse Launcher or FTB are all Forge mods. So very, very powerful mods can be done with Forge. So let's learn how to set up your own Forge modded Minecraft server.
So here we are, and the first thing that you have to do is learn what version of Forge the mod pack that you're going to be wanting to use is running. And there's two ways to do this. One, here I'm going to go ahead and click play, and then click play over here and let that load in the background. The first way is to look right here. Once you have all your profiles, click into a profile, and then you see this Minecraft version 1.11 modded. Well, that Forge 13.19.1.2199, sorry, that's small on the screen, is your Forge version. Alternatively, you can look over here at Minecraft when it opens it up, and you can see at the bottom we are running 13.19.1.2199. So there's two ways you can tell what version of Forge you need to run, what version of Forge server you need to run. So once you've determined that, head on over to minecraftforge.net, and you're going to be looking at the downloads. And there's a whole bunch of downloads right here, but you're going to click this Show All Downloads button. And right here at the top, just because this is a recent build, is the version we need, 13.19.1.2199, sorry. But there's a whole bunch of other versions for you to look through. We're going to choose the installer-win because I'm on Windows. If you're on Mac, you can just do the installer, and that'll work just fine. So go ahead and click that, and it will download. It'll take you to an advertisement, and it is finishing up its download now. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on it, and it will open. And you're going to ignore the client and choose the server. It's going to tell you that you need to choose a different directory, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go into the .minecraft directory and make a new folder here. We're going to call this server and choose that as our...
Okay.
So you figured it out?
Somewhat. Alright.
Sorry about the outer nose.
It's fine.
Let's hope this time it's playable.
Probably will be.
You have good internet, right?
No. It shouldn't affect it too much. I mean, yeah, I do. No one's running it like that on right now, so I probably have good internet now.
I mean, Adanos is a pain to work with. Like, I had to restart like 7 times just for it to basically crash.
I don't know. This is gay.
It's just like when I host some servers for YouTubers, and when I do it, I usually use Skynode just because of the 24/7 hosting.
Yeah, no. Aternos is low key. Fucking.
Adanos is probably the worst out of all of them.
Aternos is AIDS, man.
I don't like Minehut's not good for modded servers, but it's good for like vanilla. It's good for doing plugin servers, but not actual mods.
Okay. Downloading the server. Ooh, woo, ooh, woo, ooh.
Let's hope just have a VPN that's functional.
Oh, I'm not showing them the IP. Hell no.
Sorry.
Hey Zach, are you still there?
I mean, I really could get a domain host if I wanted to, but alright.
Or directory. This is an option just to send some of your data to these guys so that they know how your computer is set up. You can select it or unselect it. It's really just for analytics. Go ahead and click OK, and it's going to download in place all the files that you need on your computer. Okay, once you are finished, you'll see this message: successfully downloaded a Minecraft server, downloaded 18 libraries from Forge. Now you're going to open up your browser, and you're going to navigate to where that was downloaded. And I know that it's in my .minecraft folder. You'll probably have to go to app data roaming.minecraft, and I put it right here in this server folder. And you can see that there's not a lot in there. There's a few libraries over here, but we can ignore those. You'll see that there's 2 server jars, and this is just like the other video we showed starting a Minecraft server, except this is the modded version. Instead of choosing this, which is basically the vanilla jar, you're going to choose the modded jar and go ahead and double click that. And it's going to try to run. It's going to create a few files for us here, like logs and mods. And hopefully the EULA. There you go. EULA.txt. You are going to have to, once again, change this to true before and hit save and close that out before you can actually launch the server. Now you can go ahead and double click the modded version, and it will open up that same interface that we saw on the vanilla server. And as you can see, it is running. It's creating some things right here. It looks like it's preparing the spawn area. That's finished. And you get a little graph of the resources that it is taking up. You can go ahead and stop the server, and it will close just like that. Now you have all of these different files, but there's really only 2 folders that you need to worry about. First is the world folder, which is what the map is.
That's
So
the
if you
work.
click in here, you can see your level.dat and regions stuff in there. And the second is the mods folder. Right now, it is empty. So you're going to place the mods that are server side into this folder. And they use the same jars as...
Or if I can get Uni to join.
Okay. Um. Okay. The server should be starting up.
Can you send me the IP?
I'll just put it in announcements.
Alright. Are we gonna resume the streamer if it works?
Yes.
Let's hope we're not on like a random island without trees. I love Survival Island and all, but
Yeah. I need to
What's
check
more- it's more than
the 25565
So Daly's
is
self-muted.
the port. Okay, 255.
Win.
Daily, Jesus. Daily, Jesus, Daily.
I'm walking my dog at 8:54 p.m.
It's dark out, bro.
Yeah,
What you doing?
I'm walking my dogs.
Alright.
Because that's some mafia word.
I'm gonna get this set up so that they don't see my IPPPPP. Even though I'm using a VPN, but whatever.
Graph, I use 5 VPNs. Get wrecked, bro.
North Carolina, shut up.
What if I don't?
But you said you did, so you do.
with different
Yeah.
all on a virtual machine.
God.
Yeah. Right. Running on a... That happened on a virtual machine.
It's not lagging.
That's running a VPN. That's running a virtual machine.
That's running a
That's
VPN.
Yeah. Okay.
Dynamic.
VPNception.
Come on. Yep, you see, it's untracked. It cannot be tracked. Because even if somehow you use wizard magic powers to get past the first VPN, you have the other 4 to deal with.
It's up. If anyone,
Is it? Hey, it is.
Yeah.
My dog
Alright.
refused to move, so I can't go back to my house.
Should work. Should.
Wacky,
it
come
worked for
on.
me. I just timed out though.
Come on, dog.
That's on my part. I have terrible internet because everybody on my house is using it.
Roxy, come on.
I think I timed out too.
Is it just
Oh, never
me,
mind.
or do I have good? Or is it just me, or am I the one person that has good internet?
Daily.
It's the wind. It's not
Alright, and now we wait to log in for 20 minutes.
when you're being irate. You gotta
Timed out.
the wind. I asked it to stop. It's a refusal.
My god, Daily. Daily, mute yourself, Daily, please.
when would you Oh dear God.
Oh, you got on, Zach. Daily, mute yourself.
Oh dear God, my dog! My dog! My dog dog just tripped me.
Mute yourself. God damn it.
No, my dog just got up randomly and just did a and
Bro, I can't log in. It keeps timing me out.
Mate,
It's really annoying.
my dog just
Reset
spun
your
around.
What?
Yeah,
Daily, stop, bro. My God. Dude, I'm muting Daily, bro. I'm muting him. Jesus.
Okay.
Holy fuck.
Wait, he's an admin.
Okay.
He can just unmute himself.
I was talking client side, but okay. I can't join it. Can you?
It's just logging in. It join is on a timed out. Yeah, no, I can't.
Yeah, it just says timed out for me too. I just showed my IP. Fuck.
Is that your actual IP address?
No, it's not. It's a VPN, but I still don't like it. I'm just gonna put a 0 and see if it works that way.
Get good and use your real IP address, but have it be on a fake Wi-Fi signal.
yeah, that's how Mafia works, bro.
It says you're on the server. Like, it literally says you're on it. I don't...
No, it timed out. It glitched out, so it's essentially just a duplicate of me on it.
I could... restart.
Yeah, maybe restart it. If it says I'm on it, it must be a duplicate of me. That happened to me before, actually, on Matternos.
Is it even loading the mods?
The mods work.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, it just says timed out. Alright, I'll restart it. Oh, I think it's the server that's bugged.
The wind has managed to.
I can't even... I think it's the server.
Your internet or just the server?
No, just the server, because it won't stop.
Is there any way to stop it?
Nope.
Then we're streaming tomorrow. Then
It fucked up my computer. I literally can't stop it.
Okay, the wind's died down a bit. Now I'm not being pushed over by it anymore. But my dog still refuses to move.
how can you not stop your own server? Couldn't you just like terminate it?
No, I pressed
Like,
stop
one
and
of
it
my
didn't
dogs.
work.
Like, one of my dogs is moving just fine. But then the other one refuses to move at all.
Well, this has been a catastrophe of a stream.
I'm sorry about this.
It's fine. I'm restarting.
I hyped it up way too much.
Alright, I'm restarting.
I expected everything to go as planned, so that's what happened.
It's whatever. I'm restarting the server. Maybe it'll work this time. If not, we might have to do another, like, modded thing with less
Another
mods.
mod pack. I have
like
I have
Tinker,
quite a few
like
mods.
T-Cons, like with like 4 mods, but like 4 big mods.
Like AVP, Tinker's Construct, Lycanites, and
Yeah, but if this doesn't work, it might work. I don't know. Yeah, it's loading the dimensions slow too. I think it's the amount of...
oh yeah, there's a shit ton of dimension mods.
Yep. Oh? Well, I tried to join. Oh, I'm in! I'm in! Try and join it. Try and join it.
Alright, I'm refreshing. Not gonna lie, this Minecraft, the Minecraft music's amazing. Oh yeah, the best music is Stall.
Of course. Oh my god, it is so laggy.
Uh-oh. Is it bad? Is the lag terrible?
Oh, it's not the server lag. It's not the server lag. My
It's
frames.
the mod lag. It's mod lag.
Oh, it's my frames.
Oh. It's your FPS, alright. It's not
5.
sure.
Okay, there
Apparently
we go.
xenomorphs love spawning in jungles.
That's great.
Or just in wooded areas in
Oh, well,
general.
no,
Dark.
it's still definitely lagging.
You can't break blocks still.
I timed out, bro.
Same.
I think the server is crashing over and over again.
I should probably buy it.
Even that server will crash. We need to dim down the mods, man.
How do I create a new mod pack?
Yeah, it can't run this many mods.
Especially on a local host.
Because
I've had
no,
one.
local hosts are good. Local hosts are probably the best thing that you can get if you can get.
Alright, what should I call my new mod pack? Still just call it Dream of Conquest?
Yeah, sure. I'm just trying to like not crash my computer.
So which mod should I add? Tinker's Construct?
I'll get T construct, Galactic Craft. Galactic Craft. I want Galactic Craft.
I have the entire Galacticraft collection of like all the different add-ons. Do I need to do that?
You gotta send me them.
Or I'll just send you the zip folder then. Galacticraft. I'll use it for my old mod pack, Quantum Craft, which was a great mod pack. The funny part was, it's a lot bigger than this, and Adanos actually handled it well.
Yeah, but Aternos is a piece of fucking.
Galacticraft core,
Ape
Galacticraft
shit,
planets.
We don't like Aternos here.
It's called when it's your only option. It's different.
No, it's not.
It's called when you're only playing with one other person. It's still terrible. But when you like to dick around instead of actually play the game, it's different.
It's called
Can we do-
local host, my dude. Let me
Can we do Epic Siege? No, I don't have the VPN. Can we do Epic Siege?
Sure.
Epic Siege and Danger World. I'll Epic Siege and also do.
This needs to be true.
Deadly World, and then we're gonna do Epic Siege. So I don't know what I hate. I hate Thaumcraft. I hate having to put Thaumcraft into mod packs. You may be wondering why. Thaumcraft's terrible. You may be wondering why I don't like Thaumcraft. Not because it's a bad mod, but because there's only one mod where it's actually compatible with, and that's Twilight Forest.
How do you make the color symbol thing?
The what? What color symbols?
Never mind.
Doodle core. Should I do Lycanites?
Sure. Don't go overboard. 5 max or something like that. I don't know. Oh my god, that's the second time I show my IP on stream, but thank god I have a VPN on.
Can I add one structure mod or?
Yeah. You can add dimension
No.
mods too. I want the Aether.
Alright, do you want any other dimension mods?
Galacticraft, that's it.
I have Aether and Galacticraft. Do you want Twilight Forest or anything like that, or no?
I don't know.
I'm gonna call it Dream of Conquest Light. gonna send it to a zip. Don't worry. Did I put witchery in there? Yeah. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. That's not Dream of Conquest. And then delete this. Yeah, that's the one.
$9,762.
What about not enough items? I think that one's kind of like really useful. I'm just gonna add code chicken core and not enough items.
What the?
I think I also need an IV toolkit. I'm not going overboard, I'm just... Alright, I made a DOC light. I'll send it to you. The light.
Are you DMing it to me or emailing it?
The light. Just, you know how to install things from Google Drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just do that.
You didn't email?
It's loading. I'm gonna buy the server just so we can do the full mod pack, but because trust me, I've been able to run much larger mod packs on I don't know, so it must be something going on with the internet.
I still did not get your email.
No, it's still loading all the files in the mod.
Yeah.
Also use Optifine and Fastcraft.
Yeah.
You don't need, you're not part of the mod pack, just add them on your own.
Fuck off, Markiplier. I don't want to watch you. Hey, 55 subs. Nice.
This one's 84 megabytes.
I'm still waiting.
Yeah, it takes a fair bit of time to load. Trust me, a local host could run more than 5 mods. Alright, I sent it. How many gigs of RAM are on your server? Are dedicated to it?
I don't know. I still didn't get the email. Oh, never mind. Just got it. I'll wait for it to download.
Oh yeah, Ron, did you watch JoJo yet?
No.
See, I'm just gonna clear out my mod folder now of all the mods. Ryan, is the mod pack still too much?
It's downloading.
I liked Witchery. You know what? I'm just gonna get a server with a lot of memory just so we can play the mods. I don't care if I only give it like 12 people. I just want a lot of memory. Hello.
Austria. Hungary.
Yeah, I'm just watching some YouTube. So.
.pfp. .exe hath continued working on this fine day of drugs, where we all have drugs and drugs. Did you like my story?
Yes.
Alright.
Is it still downloading?
Okay.
So is there enough mods?
Yeah, that should be able to run.
I just hate how I have to create a new mod pack. What I should have just got, I should have just bought a server with extra RAM.
It's fine.
Back to Austria. Hungary.
Bro, what is up with you in Austria?
Habsburg Chin.
Corona-chan, man.
Corona.
Corona-chan.
Yes.
It's the fucking Corona-chan.
Alright, let's see.
The Corona-chan. Corona-chan.
Run that. Execute on jar. Update Minecraft. Put my stream back up. God, bro, chill your titties.
Nah. Just answers now. Bro. It's amazing.
Alright. It should work now, because I'm not seeing any errors, can't keep up, meaning the server isn't gonna crash
Corona.
while it's loading
Is
it.
that what kept happening last time?
Oh, never mind, I did. Galacticraft update check failed. That's fine. Can't keep up.